Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. Today I'm looking at a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. We've just finished the property, it's been signed off and the keys are going to be handed over to the letting agent today. So let's just have a look at exactly what's going on in this actual property. We've had a full actual refurbishment in the property. So new kitchen, new bathroom, full decoration, new carpets, and then obviously the doors, everything's been done in this property. Let's jump into the kitchen and have a look exactly what the finished product is like on this 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. Okay, so currently we are in the kitchen and we've had a full new kitchen suite actually put in. Just like all our buy-to-lets, we make sure we put integrated oven and hob. Also put in extractor fan as well. The great thing about this kitchen is just making sure that we supply a good quality kitchen, always supplying the Howden's kitchens, a lot thicker carcasses, and they last a lot longer as well. So I'm loving the new colors as well. So we've gone for a darker gray. This time we usually go for like a light gray with the same countertops, but we've just kind of mixed it up a little. And on this one, we've gone for the darker gray and it looks really nice, clean and modern. Want to keep the whole property in unison, making sure we've got white walls, grey carpets, grey lino, and also grey kitchen. It just keeps it nice and clean and fresh, okay? Before in here, the old kitchen was horrible, it was dated, and just needed ripping out, brought some life back into this property. Also, we put obviously spotlights in the ceiling as well, LED spotlights as well, which would be nice and efficient for the actual tenants moving into it. Let's jump into the rear room there, where it's just gonna be used as kind of storeroom or maybe just a dining room from there. Okay, so this room over here is just simply where the original kitchen used to be, but it's very, very small in here. So we just kind of used it as like a storage room, or somebody could put a dining table in here as well, and each here goes off into the garden. The garden was an absolute mess. So let's jump into the garden so you can actually see what it looks like now, because it looks fantastic compared to what it was. Okay, so the garden, it was absolute mess out here. So what's actually been done, we've just simply got rid of all the debris in here. So the grass and plants and whatever was coming up literally up to this height of myself. So what we've done is just pretty much just got rid of everything. We were looking to put turf down. We haven't put it down yet, just for the sheer fact is we've still got tenants going through vetting stages at the moment. And it really depends on whether the tenant's going to actually water the grass and the turf. Because if we put it down and it's not been maintained, not been watered over time, we'd just be wasting funds there. So it's just better that we obviously wait till the tenants get moved in, and we can ask them to do the one turf down. If they are, we just obviously got to put in agreements that they actually water it, so it's not money wasted, because it's got to get looked after. Otherwise you're just literally wasting money. So we just kept it nice and clean at the moment. Obviously it's growing through a couple of little weeds at the moment because we got it done a couple of weeks ago, but much better than it was. So we'll try and put some before pictures up there so you can see what it was like before. It was just like an absolute dump. Let's jump upstairs and have a look, see what's going on there. Okay, so currently we're in the bathroom at the moment, and we've pretty much put a full new bathroom suite in here. What we have done as well is obviously we've panelled throughout the whole actual bathroom. We started doing this in our buy-to-lets. We never used to do it previously before. Main reason for it is the paneling that we're using is very hard wearing. Okay, so previously when it used to come out, it used to be quite flimsy. So, and then basically what we do is we put a nice hard wearing paneling. It works very, very well, nice and easy for maintenance as well. And it just works really, really nicely. You can get some beautiful different types of textures as well. And this feels like actual tile, which is great. But it's worked really, really well. And we've also put down the new vinyl that we're using. So it's vinyl click, which is a lot more hard wearing as well. So for maintenance a long time, you're going to save so much more money on there, because what you'll find is true normal vinyl actually damages quite easily. And that's a maintenance cost. You want to lower those down as soon as possible. Okay, so we're in the 2nd bedroom at the moment, and this has pretty much had full decoration, new carpets in here. With most bedrooms, you don't do much in the bedrooms. Obviously, if there's any plastering that needs doing, then that would obviously get plastered. But the condition of the walls were great in this house. We didn't need to plaster at all in here. Obviously, we've got fully glass doors closing nice and easy as well, and grey carpets, which is great. So let's jump into the front bedroom, have a look at that one. Okay, so we're in the master bedroom. There's a 3rd bedroom next to this bedroom over here. Just a typical 3rd bedroom, like anything else. Again, full decoration, carpeting has been done in here as well. Keeping it nice and simple, white walls, grey carpets throughout the whole property. Want to keep in unison. Magnolia is gone. Years and years ago, about 8 years ago when we first got into property, we used to do brown carpets, magnolia walls, brown magnolia, and brown kitchens as well. And it looks dated, looks horrible, and really this brings it to life as well. So if you guys like what you're seeing and you want to profit from UK property and you simply just don't have the time to be able to do that, then reach out to us on our website and you can book in a free call with one of our team. Just head to jenicproperty.com. That's jenicproperty.com. You can book in a free call with one of our team. We can actually look at your strategy, how you want to move forward in property, and how you can actually do it with minimal time effort as well. Otherwise, head to LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram at Property with Nic Clark, and you can follow myself there and see exactly what we're doing, different numbers on deals, etc. And just remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you get notified for any videos that are coming, again, uploaded every single Wednesday at 6 p.m. Thanks very much for watching. My name's Nick from Jenic Property, helping you profit from UK property. Remember to head to jenicproperty.com where you can book in a free call with one of our team to help you profit from UK property so you can start replacing your income one property at a time.